and I'm talking about how to prepare a low-calorie, delicious fruit salad. So the way that we're going to cut up these grapes, we're just simply going to cut them in halves. It may seem tedious to you, but again, like I said, it's going to be worth it because they're very tasty and it gives a very punchy flavor to the low-calorie fruit salad. So once you've chopped up 2 cups of grapes, and remember that they're red grapes, and that really distinguishes the flavor, and you're also going to add them to the bowl of extra fruit, and that will complete your fruit items for the delicious low-calorie fruit salad.